Welcome to the farm, everyone. Today we are going to meet some friendly farm animals. Are you ready? Let's go! First, let's meet the cow. Cows say moo. Can you say moo? Cows give us delicious milk. Thank you, cow. Next, we have the chicken. Chickens say cluck, cluck. Look at those cute little chicks. Chickens lay eggs that we can eat for breakfast. Good job, chicken. Here is the pig. Pigs love to roll in the mud. Can you oink like a pig? Pigs are very smart animals. Hello, pig. Now let's meet the sheep. Sheep say ba. They have woolly coats that keep them warm. We use their wool to make clothes. Thanks, sheep. Last but not least, we have the horse. Horses say neigh. They are strong and can run very fast. Wow! Look at that horse go! We've met so many wonderful farm animals today. The cow, the chicken, the pig, the sheep, and the horse. Thanks for joining us on this farm adventure. See you next time.